If you want to know how to fix a snapshot aspect ratio, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I'm going to open Snapchat, and as you can see, I also have these black lines in the top and in the bottom of my camera. And if I'm going to create some stories, to create some pictures, we can now send them to stories, send them as a snap. And the guys who will receive them, basically they won't find any black lines or do some other stuff. So we need to understand that this feature is created by Snapchat. So it's not like our errors or something like this, because sometimes they're not adopted for devices. So for example, I now have like iPhone 11 here, and I still have these buttons where like the camera picture is not full screened and I won't be able to change it anymore. We can try to increase, try to do some other stuff, try to add filters, but nothing is working. And the only one way of how can we try to fix it is that we need to open the App Store or Google Play. And from this page here, just simply search for Snapchat. So we need to open the Snapchat app page here and make sure that you have the latest version. So sometimes they can update the number of devices who has like full screen, who has good aspect ratio. And if you have the update or upgrade button, please update it. And probably after you download the latest version, this thing will be automatically solved as for you. As for me, as you can see, I still have this button, these like black lines, even though I have like the latest version of Snapchat, especially on the iPhone. It's not like an Android or something like this. Of course, we can try to go to our profile page, try to go to settings, try to find some related stuff, but I didn't find something like special about it. So it's like a waste of time, I think. And as for me, it's not like bad, because it's not like our bug. So this is a way of how can we fix a Snapchat aspect ratio. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.